Even superheroes get traffic tickets, but now you've got a super solution on your side.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a video like this in under 5 minutes. All right, so this is a talking caption video, so I'm going to show you my process and how I did it. So I started with good old ChatGPT. I'm really loving O3 Mini right now. It's fast, really good answers, but insert your favorite LLM here if you like Gemini or anything like that. So explained at first what I'm trying to do and, for it to write me scripts about this certain client of mine who's got a new app to help people if they get a traffic ticket. And I said, you know what? At first they gave me the whole scene. I didn't need that. I said, just give me the script. And now the scripts were here. They were a little bit too short. I said, then expand the scripts to 2 paragraphs, please. It expanded it well. Then I realized that each of these scripts were coming from the perspective of them working for Ticket Guys, where no, I wanted these to be testimonial types. So I said, please rewrite all of these and change the perspective as though the people have been helped by these people and they're talking about how great this app is. Perfectly understood it, went through, there was a few scripts here that I really like. So script 2, for example, is the one I'm going to take right now. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to head on over to the Captions app and go back to my just home page. So typically when I come in, this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to start a new one generating a talking video. So now this is prompt to video. So here's a little bit of a frustration of mine. I'm going to put in the prompt that or the caption that I want for this video, and it's going to try to rewrite this script using its own AI. Now, as you saw before with ChatGPT, I went through multiple steps to get the script where I wanted it. So their scripts are okay, but sometimes they're just way too long. It's a bit too much. So what you have to do is go and delete most of it, hit enter, and then have that script ready that you wanted, and then delete that. Now, I say this a little bit of a workaround because if you delete the whole thing, it'll bring you back to the previous step, so it's going to try to AI produce you another script, something they literally just changed in the software, but a little workaround. So, all right, I now have the script that I want. I have it where I'm getting rid of these extra apostrophes I don't need in there, parentheses, everything. All right. And all right, that looks good. I'm going to now go in and I'm going to choose the person that I want to. And I created my own. It's not so good, so I'm not going to use it. But they have a bunch of other people in here. All right. So just for the sake of this example, I'm going to try to find the same one that I used in the beginning example. But as you can see, people, different ages, different demographics, so very good. And, most of the ones that they've uploaded in here, the lighting is good. The examples of the people that you're using, pretty good. So, all right, I'm just going to choose somebody now. All right, so let's go with Ethan. All right, so I'm going to generate a video based on that script, and I will fast forward here. All right, so it's done outputting, so let's check it out and see what we got. So as you can see, it will automatically use its AI and detect what's being said and turn it into captions. Over here, if we click on the actual caption, we can go through and do a lot of editing on that and overall edit the template of it. But let's show you what we got.
Stress out, but then I remembered Ticket Guys. Their free app connected me with an expert lawyer who turned a potential headache into a quick fix.
Pretty good. He's, if you really look at it close, you could see a little bit of the AI working, but altogether for just putting a script in and being able to have captions right under it, it's a great way to save a lot of time in your workflow. So if you get one that you like, I'm not going to go through the whole editing style here, but you just go to export here, and then it downloads just right into your download. You do actually have to, it's $10 a month on this, so I pay that in order to get it to output without a water stamp or watermark on it or anything like that. So, all right, so say we've got our exported video. My last step of the process now is to then get to my video editing program. So I wanted to go a little more like the one that I showed you in the beginning of the video. So it was her speaking. And then, because she was mentioning superheroes, I was like, wouldn't it be fun if it made her look like a superhero? So last step of the process here, using my video editing program, Wondershare Filmora, which is one that I absolutely love. They've added a lot of new effects in here. So there's transitions, titles, everything like that. And you can actually do AI captions right in here. It's really cool. And it's got a lot of AI tools built into this program. But for right now, we're going to go to effects and we're going to click body. Which is really cool. So there's body effects right there. And I'll say electric shock was just one of the first ones. So I go and just drag that over the video. It's already downloaded. I click it. So what the AI does is actually detect where the figure's body is in the foreground, and then we'll put this behind it in the background.
Even superheroes get traffic tickets, but now you've got
and there we go. So, and then we export it, and that's how we make this video, and we're 5 minutes on the dot. Again, we are the Creative AI Show. I'm Bryon. Rosh also has been putting videos out here daily, so hats off to him. And we have our show every Monday, so we chat for a good 20, 30 minutes and talk all things AI, the latest releases. We talk about some of these projects like this, so please give us a follow, a like, a subscribe. And if you have any questions or anything, just leave us a comment. Thanks.